Meet Bartholomew the Bumbling Bunny, known in the town for his friendly nature. One sunny day, as Bartholomew hopped through the town square, he stumbled upon a peculiar patch of fizzy flowers. Unbeknownst to him, the fizzy flowers had a magical quality. Anyone who hopped near them would involuntarily let out a big burp. To his surprise, a burp erupted from him like a playful balloon escaping its string. The townspeople burst into laughter at the unexpected sound. Rather than feeling embarrassed, Bartholomew found the burping mishap amusing. Soon, he discovered that his burps had a magical quality of spreading joy and laughter throughout Giggleburg. Giggles the jolly giraffe and Bella the bubbly butterfly joined Bartholomew on his adventures, spreading joy to every nook and cranny of Giggleburg. The townspeople organized a Giggle festival in Bartholomew's honor. The festival featured games, performances, and, of course, Bartholomew's signature burptastic antics. The laughter echoed through the town, creating an atmosphere of pure joy. In the end, Bartholomew's big burping bungle turned out to be a delightful surprise for everyone in Giggleburg.